my tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Luci plush from Disenchantment using my Luci plush doll pattern, which you can find in my Etsy shop, the link to which is down in the description of this video. So first you're going to take your pattern and lay it out on your fabric. Then using your tailor's chalk, you're going to gently trace around the pattern. You will want 2 pieces for numbers 1A, 1B, 5A, 5B, 6, and 7. You will want 1 piece of number 2 and 2 pieces each for 3A, 3B, 4A, and 4B. Instead of tracing piece number 8 on the fabric, you will be tracing it onto white felt, for which you will want 2 pieces. After you cut out all of your pieces, you're going to install the eyes by hand stitching piece 8 onto the corresponding circles on your 2 pieces of 1A with embroidery thread. Next, pin them right sides together and sew. You will notice that the tailpiece has been sectioned off into 2 pieces. That's because I found it difficult but not impossible to turn it inside out after I finished sewing. This step is optional but may make things easier for you down the road. After you've finished sewing them separately, you may simply attach them with embroidery thread afterwards. Make sure to leave the bottoms of all of your pieces open, as that is where the stuffing will go. After you're done sewing, you will notice that you have a lot of tight curves in some of your pieces. Make sure to go in and cut as close as you can to your stitch so that when you flip your pieces inside out, they take on the desired shape. Next, stuff all your pieces generously, trying not to overdo it too much. Since his neck is very thin, be sure to stuff as much as you can into the neck area to make it stiff and upright. Another optional step here is to fill his main body with rice so he will have a weighted bottom and sit better for you. Next, slide a pipe cleaner or 2 into the tailpiece. Next, we're going to attach all the pieces to the main body by hand using our embroidery thread. This includes hand sewing piece number 2 to the bottom. You may also choose to attach his tail to his body in different sections to secure its winding shape. For his little feet, you can take the bottom section of his leg and flip it upward so that it makes a 90-degree angle, and anchor it in place using your embroidery thread. Once you finish this step, you may of course want to lint roll your cat hair from him, as felt is very susceptible to getting fur stuck to it. Last but not least, if you want, you can grab some elastic and secure it to his bottom with embroidery thread so that he will stay put and sit on your shoulder. And that's it! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to see your Luci dolls that you've made. As always, thank you for watching. See you next time!